wires popping together.
Yeah, look at that. That's some fucking...
Yeah, get outside, that side of Central is fucking knocked out.
Yeah. Look at that. There goes that transformer again. It's fucking flashing.
Behind the goddamn,
up there behind the restaurant and stuff.
Look at the motherfucker.
We're going to lose power.
Wires getting blown together, hon.
Yeah. We're going to lose power. This is bad. That's the other side of Central over there. Step outside for a second. I said step outside for a second. Well, I can look down the street too, where they ain't got no power. Oh! Look at that. Nothing down there. Looks out down Central. Woo! That's cold. That's cold. Looks like power's out down Central. Whew.
You can see the green fire coming from the bottom.
Oh, I know.